Yo, welcome back to another video. I have something to show you guys so that you guys don't get scammed or anything. So, I know some of you might know about this, but right here, you can't, when you click on it, it won't tell you when it was born or created. So how you can tell is by going to here, to their username, and if you scroll down, and you can tell that they're making these. People can make these. Some people can make them. Some people don't know that. And let's see. This one was born Friday, March 6th, 2020. Let's see. This one was born Saturday, March 7th, 2020. The same thing. So, the price that they have it on is not the greatest because they can buy these. They can rebuy them. They're just tricking people into getting them for this much. So be careful, and that's what you want to do, is check when it was created. Alright, well, thanks for watching and have a great day.